G'day, how are you? We've just come into JimJim Falls. Pretty spectacular view. Probably put some footage up of the drive in. We'll got the pool noodles so I don't sink, and we'll see how we get on. Crocodile safety. Send the missus in first.
Openings each year. However, they are known to enter this area undetected. Can we swim or what?
Enter at own risk. No, you're going in first. You'll be right. So they've got a emergency station here. Push the button and see how they answer and stuff, and then come and get you. It's all right, Jackie's just talking in the background because she's panicking that she's going to get eaten crocodiles. So there's some toilets out here as well. But yeah, it's a JimJim, not JimJim. So JimJim. 2K, 2 hour, moderate. Don't wear thongs.
Doesn't it say that? Does it?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're good to go.
we're good to go.
How are you going?
I'm all right. Oh,
Yeah.
shit. You are here, so we're going to the plunge pool.
Yeah. Don't wear thongs. What does that say? Left. Somebody's wrote, I've left a pair somewhere. I couldn't read it. It's all gone. That's funny. All right. Off we go. All right. Here we go. Don't wear thongs. It's the only thing we've got in the car. Jackie's got a new thongs on. They'll be broken in an hour. Whee! Man down. Maybe you shouldn't wear thongs.
I got the new apps.
I wonder how many people I'll knock out with these.
Do you want me to film it? I'm walking with it.
No, it's all right. It's funny. Sorry. How are you? Sorry. Oops. Sorry. Righto. Enough nonsense. Let's focus a little bit. I didn't put my hiking glasses on. Yeah, I know. Lucky I bought them for hiking. Alright, I'm turning this off. So we've done a bit of a walk with our safety thongs on. Somebody's nearly fallen over again. Crocodile safety, danger. Crocodiles inhabit this area. Attacks cause injury or death.
Look through there.
Do not enter water. Keep away from the edge.
Yeah, look at it.
If you look over there, it's a croc cage just over there. So, lovely place, eh? Look at this, what a spectacular view. So the ranger did say that there wasn't any crocs in here, but they can't be sure. So we shall see. It's Jackie checking for crocs in the water. Yeah. Croc dog.
Big croc.
Big croc cage. It's a big old croc cage. 7 meters, 6 meters. Should be big. Definitely know if you got hit by one. I bought glasses to go hiking with so I could see my feet, because these are like bifocals, and every time we go out I leave the bloody things in the car. Anyway, oh look, nature. The water looks very inviting. Up you go. Look at that, she's just a mountain goat. You're a goat. I've got all these rocks everywhere and these little arrows, but here, go, watch your step on one rock. Don't worry about watching you step on all of that. So there's a plunge pool straight ahead and a beach pool to the right, and it says beware of the crows. My name is Cheryl the Crow, and my name is Russell Crow. Wanted for stealing cupcakes, Mars bars, muesli bars, biscuits. Never notified by Never Safari Tools. Right, I'll get round this big ass rock and I'll show you the I'll get round this big ass rock and I'll show you the cliff. So we come out of the rock boulder field and into this, into the sand. Got me real good hiking shoes on. Much better for on the rocks. Beware of freshwater crocs. Don't approach. I'll tell you what, this sand is about 800 degrees hot. Get down to this water, we'll be alright. Oh yeah, that's hot. That's very hot.
I think we're over there. We want to sit over there. Oh, yeah. Huh? I think there's a plastic bag in the back.
Is there?
In the backpack.
That lady's just up there swimming with the crocs. Righto.
Which way did you go?
He went left.
Oh, they're slippery.
Yeah, they'll be slimy as buggery. Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, sure. I just need to get one. Hold on.
Is it worth coming over?
It's going that way. It's probably.
There's one of the guys is swimming. It looks quick there, but then further up, there's somebody just behind the rock swimming. Yep. I wouldn't go that way. I'd go left and up onto that flat rock.
Get my pudding.
Okay.
What do you eat? What do you eat? I'm doing read. What did he say? Flat one. Oh, flat. Who's it called?
Hey, you hold the stick, and I'll hold the thing.
Seriously, I'll just swim here. Fuck it. My arm's not strong enough. I'll just swim across there. Oh. I'll just go back the way that the road told us to and go back and meet you at the thing.
Just step up onto here and then go.
Yeah, what the fuck's over there? Like, how are they getting up there?
Yeah, they're climbing around.
Alright. Okay, well, let's go.
Well, it's going to get a bit deep here, but go onto that rock there.
It's more the point of slipping.
You right?
It's a it's a fucking bird.
It's a duck.
That's wet. Is this wet your phone?
Yeah.
It's very hurting.
Yeah, I think so. Look at all that crock bait.
It's probably nice. The beach on the right. Back to it. She can do it with a kid on her back.
Yeah, that's right. So we finally made it to JimJim Falls. Definitely a hike. Well, Russell. Russell Crowe. Oh, it's just like a warm bath. It's like a warm bath. Like an ice bath. What? What's wrong? It's a bit cold. Yeah, I'm definitely a they them now. So, what do you reckon, Jack? Is
A challenging walking.
You're not going to the waterfall.
I should carry thermal water.
how cold do you reckon it is?
Wow.
Good.
Nah, like
Cold.
4.
4.
There could be a lot more water coming down. Oh yes, yes, yes.
So it's a little bit rocky on the way out. Same as the way in. Got me good shoes on.
Nicer to swim. You're at a beach, soft on your feet,
Oh, well, go for a swim there.
and it's warmer.
Don't know what that was. Moving under the rock. It's fine. Whoop, you right? You didn't hit your head? You right?
How am I meant to get over here?
I don't know. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go down here and then up that. So that is a croc cage for the crocodiles. And catch them and then release them down where all the people are swimming. So here we have the tinny, and the old croc cage obviously was too small. So don't swim where they tell you not to swim. Alright, I just pulled over on the side of the track here, four-wheel drive track. We've just been to JimJim Falls. Massive walk for us. We did it in our safety thongs and sometimes without thongs on. But just wanted to show you the temperature. It's 43 degrees at like 10 to 3.
4-hour walk.
It is hot as damn hot. Like hot. Anyway, we just got back to the car, so off we go.
Got a tag. Where is he?
Over this side. So we've just slowed down from 100 and there's a dog on the road.
Looks like an E-tag or something. Come on. Elijah. It's got an E-tag.
Yeah. Just get him in, get off the road.
Alright, hop in. Hop in there. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. We'll take you into town. I don't know where. He's got a tag. Alright. Hello! What's the tag? He's dying of thirst. He's just passed out. Hello, hang on. I'm going to put my seatbelt on. Hello, darling. He's a pup. Hang on, darling. Hi. Hello. What's an E-tag do?
Air tag.
Yeah, can we call him?
We'll just pull up over here off the road.
Fuck. Who do we call?
I don't know.
Maybe get him some water. Where are you? Visitor centre? Is that open? 5:30. We're going to get him some water, Dove. He's about to pass out and die.
Try that, buddy.
How's that? Is that better? Yeah. That's better.
So what's it got? Got an E-tag on
I
it.
think so. I don't know. What's that thing on its neck?
What do you got? I don't know. Here, drink that. So we were doing 110 and the little Kelpie was in the middle of the road. It's got an air tag on it. Jackie's displayed down the local, and they're just going to go take him down into town. But he was running down the middle of the road, like right down here. We were doing 110. Anyway, good deed for the day. G'day, Howie here. We're just leaving Kakadu this morning. We're going back to Humpty Doo, and then from there, after a couple of days, we'll work out where we're going. We're not too sure which way we're going, whether we're going left or we're going to go through Arnhem Land. But yeah, we're just leaving this caravan park. Not bad, out at Jabiru. Just free camp in at $30 a night, I think it was. There's water and power sites over there. Nice pool, pool bar and food over there. Expensive, but yeah, it was nice. All right, see you later.